Wheel's totally singular, isn't it? It's not linked with any other songs, really, like Scarlet and China. It just kind of pops up when it popped up. It's like, yeah, I suppose you go, what, Wheel Miracle, maybe, Wheel Throwin', but I think it just, it's kind of like Truckin'. Truckin' I find singular, too, just sort of, there it is. Comes up, and there it is. It's not all, oh, it's gonna, you know... Dark Star isn't. It's linked with, you know, St. Stephen, or it's linked with the other one, or it's linked with, you know, it's kind of that into shit. The Wheel, it's going to be one of those nights. It's a miracle, and, you know, like, Ico night, When We're Smarter night, that kind of night when you get Wheel.
Alright, so I went over my goal of 100 consecutive days, I don't know, a week ago, and then I stopped, and so this is first vlog in like a while, a week or something, whatever this vlog is, 158, something like that. Anyway, or 60 something, I'm 60, I went way past 100, I mean not way, but like 110, anyway. Ooh, that might be pretty good, get out of it. Turn now. Alright, it's alright, it's alright.
Hey! Thank you. Thank you.